Thank you for joining us today to discuss another version of our Frontline Fast Setup video series. Our last video focused on a 300+ used car location with an abundance of space. Today we will focus on a highline location with multiple points selling 125 to 150 units per month with very limited space on their lot. Please join me for a few minutes to learn more about our game-changer version of the Frontline Fast program. Dent Wizard offers the most efficient solution to cosmetic reconditioning available to the marketplace. That solution is called Frontline Fast. Frontline Fast is our dealer-focused, multi-service program developed to streamline, simplify, and expedite the reconditioning process for your pre-owned inventory. With Dent Wizard's Frontline Fast program, we can provide you paintless dent repair, interior repair, wheels, bumpers, minor paint and touch-up, headlight brightening, glass repair, key services, and in limited markets, detail services as well. We know that time to market is key for all dealers to maximize the value of their used car inventory, and by utilizing Dent Wizard's Frontline Fast program, we consolidate all of your vendors to work as one team with the goals of speed, quality, and ease. We understand time matters. However, we also realize that some dealers have space constraints when it comes to their used vehicle reconditioning process. The beauty of Dent Wizard's Frontline Fast program is our ability to integrate it to your current recon process while limiting the physical footprint. So in this video, we're going to introduce you to the Game Changer, a fully compliant paint repair delivery system. Let's show you how our people, processes, and technology will get your units to the Frontline Fast, saving you dollars and maximizing your return on your used car inventory. This custom-designed mobile paint booth behind me allows us to service multiple units, maintain full compliance with local and federal regulations, and have an enclosed space to protect from overspray. Additionally, the system improves quality as it creates a controlled paint room. At this location, the Game Changer setup includes a double eagle trailer, which features an air compressor, generator, paint mix bank, wheel racks, fire suppression, ventilation, and even a fire retardant vinyl floor to protect your lot. Interior and wheel truck are also featured at this lot, plus a smaller 6x10 trailer to house a wheel straightener and our hazardous waste barrel. As you can see, Dent Wizard can create the recon infrastructure on your lot that allows us to do high quality work in the most efficient way possible, guaranteeing your units back within a 24 to 48 hour window. But no matter what your lot looks like, we have the ability and the capital to customize a Frontline Fast for you and your dealership. Thank you for spending a few moments with me learning about Frontline Fast with the Game Changer setup and how our program can streamline, simplify, and most importantly, expedite your reconditioning process. If you have any questions or would like additional information on how you can bring this program onto your lot, please contact us.